If your marketing feels random, if ads aren't converting, if traffic isn't turning into sales, you're probably believing at least one of these myths. Today, I'll break down 5 deadly marketing myths that cost businesses money every single day. Myth number 1, more traffic equals more sales. Traffic alone doesn't grow revenue. Intent does. 10,000 random visitors won't beat 100 people ready to buy. Smart marketers focus on who clicks, not how many. Myth number 2, ads can fix a bad offer. Ads don't fix problems. They amplify them. If your offer isn't clear, valuable, or urgent, ads the just burn budget faster. Myth number 3, SEO is free traffic. SEO costs time, content, strategy, systems. It compounds long-term, but only when done right. Myth number 4, PPC stops working when ads stop. Top marketers use PPC to test messaging, validate demand, learn buyer psychology. Then they feed that data into SEO, email, and sales. That's leverage. Myth number 5, marketing ends. When the lead comes in, leads don't create revenue. Follow-up does. Sales process, speed, and trust close deals, not traffic. If your marketing feels unpredictable, one of these myths is probably why. Fix the system, and growth becomes repeatable. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more marketing content.